In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your GOG password step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and it's really useful if you want to improve your account security, update an old password, or simply reset your login details. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's get right into it. First, open GOG and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside, look at the top menu and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, click on Account Management. This is where you can manage your personal details, security settings, and login preferences. After the account management page opens, find and click Login and Security. This section contains the password and security settings for your GOG account, so this is exactly where you need to be. Now look for the option that says Change next to Password and click it. GOG will not instantly change the password here. Instead, it will send an email with password reset instructions to the email address linked to your account. So next, open your email inbox and look for the message from GOG. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folders just in case it landed there. Once you find the email, open it and click the reset link inside. That link will take you to a secure password reset page. On that page, enter your new password carefully. Make sure it's something strong, unique, and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. After entering the new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Double-check both entries so there are no mistakes, and then submit the change. Once that's done, your GOG password will be updated successfully. You can now sign in with your new password and continue using your account with better security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.